Alphie is an educational toy robot designed to help young children learn through interactive play. Alphie is a fun and interactive learning companion that combines visual, auditory, and hands-on engagement to help children develop essential early learning skills. Alphie Robot uses interchangeable cards for different subjects. Kids press buttons to select answers, receiving feedback through sound and lights. Alphie talks, plays music, and lights up to engage children. It helps develop spelling, math, reasoning, memory, and matching skills. It is easy to use anywhere without cords. Alphie talks, asks questions and gives hints to guide children through activities. It lights up and plays sound effects when buttons are pressed, making learning fun. Alphie plays catchy tunes and rewarding sound effects to keep kids engaged. Alphie Robot has touch-sensitive buttons below the card that correspond to different answers or actions. When a child presses a button, Alphie responds with sound, voice feedback, or music to indicate whether the answer is correct or incorrect.